Every scientist developing new molecules knows the struggle. Constrained budgets, pressing timelines, and daunting technical hurdles. Efficacy, bioavailability, stability, and developability are not just terms, they're real challenges that can make or break your project. In this high-stakes journey, the path from candidate selection to phase 1 is fraught with risk. The key to overcoming these challenges? A streamlined, efficient pathway that not only advances your development but also minimizes risk, maximizing your chance of success. But how can you navigate this complex landscape? The answer lies in finding a single, experienced partner equipped with a wide array of technologies and deep expertise to guide your molecule from lab to market. FormuPhase Solution Suite, a fast, flexible, and fact-driven program tailored to your molecule's unique needs. We don't just offer services, we provide solutions, combining advanced analytics, cutting-edge technologies, and a wealth of materials to create the most effective formulation for your molecule. Our approach is grounded in facts, driven by our deep experience in developing thousands of molecules. This wealth of expertise ensures that your molecule gets the most suitable formulation, reducing the likelihood of costly setbacks and ensuring a smoother path to phase 1. At Renejix, our promise goes beyond just development. It's about delivering more effective products, enhancing treatment options, and ensuring reliable supply. We understand the pressures you face, and we're here to transform those challenges into triumphs.